Welcome. In front of me I have XIAOMI Bluetooth Thermo second version, and I'm going to show you how we can set password on this device. So at the first we have to open our XIAOMI application and then just simply select our device. Right now wait for connection. Right now click on the right upper corner on three dots, move to the additional settings and click on the security settings. Then click to turn on password. Input your protection password. I will use very common 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we can also use the fingerprint unlock, so let's try. Okay, let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let's go back. It is working. So right now when we go back, and right now when we close this application, we can enter it one more time. Click right here, and as you can see, to open this application right now we have to use the fingerprint sensor. And as you can see right now we are able to check the data. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.